Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting through the obvious delays. Power the phone off, wait 10 seconds, then power it on to see if the green line disappears. This rules out temporary GPU or rendering hiccups. While it reboots, remove any case and screen protector, and visually inspect the bezel and connector area for damage or liquid. This explains many green lines. Once done, back up photos and settings so you can safely run deeper software checks without risking data loss. You now isolate software versus hardware. Boot into safe mode or the built-in diagnostics to see if a third-party app or driver is causing the green line. If the line vanishes, uninstall recent apps. Next, update the OS and display firmware. Manufacturers often push GPU fixes. Run a full-screen color test image and vary brightness and refresh rate. If the line moves or changes, it's often a driver issue. If it stays fixed, you are closer to a hardware fault and should continue accordingly. You finish by addressing hardware. Power off, open the phone if you have tools and skill, and carefully reseat the display flex cables, ESD safe, because loose connectors cause persistent green lines. If comfortable, swap in a replacement screen or test with a known good display or external monitor to determine if the GPU is at fault. Once done, reassemble and verify. If the line persists, make sure to contact a certified repair center and have your backup plus warranty and serial numbers ready when you call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.